video is the second in a series reviewing the 5 phases you need to follow in order to find, register, and complete an internship for academic credit. I will be outlining Phase 2 and the resources available to help you search and apply for an internship or co-op experience. If you haven't already reviewed the Phase 1 video, you can find it on our website along with an outline of all 5 phases. Under the Phase 2 section of the Internship and Co-op page, you will find links to several resources that will assist you in finding an experience. Consider meeting with an Excel staff like our internship coordinator or a career coach in career services for guidance as you begin to search and apply. Faculty in your department are also great connections. You will find 2 buttons on the bottom of the Phase 2 section. The Internship Programs button will take you to a page with some established internship programs that many of our students have participated in over the years. Some of these experiences have been done in places like Disney, Washington, D.C., New York State Assembly, and internationally. If you click on the button that says Search for an Opportunity, you will be brought to a page with several other resources, including a link to hireOz by Handshake. You can get your hireOz by Handshake account directly by typing in oswego.joinhandshake.com and using your LakerNet ID and password to log in. The first time you log in, you will be asked a series of questions to personalize and set up your account. This will allow Handshake to help show you positions and events that focus on your interests and majors. After the first time you log in and have completed the setup process, you will go directly to the Handshake homepage. This is where you can check out all the resources and functions of the system. In the Jobs section of your Handshake account, you can view internship, co-op, job, volunteer, and on-campus employment listings. Handshake is a great way to view vacant internships and co-ops from companies that have built relationships with SUNY Oswego. Students can use the filters to tailor their searches. By using the internship, co-op, and experiential learning options, you can see all the positions that have been posted and are potential credit-bearing opportunities. There are several other search filters available, so you can enter criteria specific to you. Our internship coordinator places a label that indicates local sites and positions that pre-qualify for internship credit, or as a co-op. This label is added for sites that have previously been vetted for SUNY Oswego standards and are mostly sites that students have interned at before. All opportunities will also be reviewed when they are submitted for approval during Phase 3, which begins the registration process. You can also tailor your search by location, whether you'd like to complete an internship local to the Oswego region, Syracuse area, or in your hometown. Internships from all U.S. regions exist in Handshake. Please review the next video, which will discuss the next phase in the process. Please feel free to reach out to the Excel staff if you have any questions.